Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with me, and today we're going to do this picture frame. And let me see if I can zoom out. Nope, that's all I'm going to get. This is a large picture frame that we got with our starter kit from Chalk Couture. I had told some of you that that's a company that I have become affiliated with. There's 12. Looks like it's about 15 by 13 by 15, something like that. But we're going to do this frame. Now, it is a chalkboard frame. This is like a chalkboard here. So we're going to use some chalk on it. And I got this, they call them transfer, I call them stencils, from them, I think last week. And I love that. So we're going to put this on with some chalk. Now, the good thing about the chalk, you can put the chalk on, and then when you decide to change this, you just wipe it off and change it to another saying. So when I get tired of this one, or when I get something else I like better, then I'll just wipe this off with a wet baby wipe or something, and then put another one on. So we're going to go ahead and open this. Now it tells you on the back of these transfers exactly how to take care of them. When you clean these, you have to have water ready, and I've got a little pan of water over here, because as soon as you get it peeled up, when you get all of your chalk down, when you peel it up, you're going to put it immediately in the water, and then it just cleans right up. It cleans up real easy. Lay it upside down, because the backs of these is sticky. Lay it upside down on something to dry. When it dries, you can put it back on this piece of paper that it comes on, and it'll be ready to use again. Let's see. It says clean in warm water, but I have my water's probably already got cool. But the other night I cleaned them up in cool water and it worked fine, because this cleans up really easy. Now these are different than just regular stencils that you get. These stencils like this, they just have the holes cut out in them. They don't have any mesh or anything in there. These actually have a little bit of mesh in them, and I'm going to see if I can show you that. Alright, these are just like going to town and getting a t-shirt done, and they do it with using these little, see the mesh in there? I don't know if you can see that mesh or not, but it's not a hole in there. It has mesh in it. That's where that your ink and your paste and stuff doesn't go in big globs. It actually just goes through real smoothly. Now this is really, really sticky, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick it on my shirt, or on my little apron here, just a little bit before I stick it down. That's not going to hurt it at all. And then, now this is my first time doing one of these, so it's going to be a lot of trial and error. I'm going to show you though, hopefully, that it's not hard. Anybody can do it. And if you want to do some shirts and things, this is the ideal stuff to work with. Screen printing, that's what I was trying to think of a minute ago. This is just like going and having screen printed shirts done, because this is actually screen inside those little holes there. Alright, this comes in your kit as well, so we're gonna put that down and just run this over it, make sure that it's down kind of well. Make sure our bubbles are out. Now I am going to try some different color chalks. I'm going to use this, I think this one's white, yes. Now when you open up your chalk, you're going to notice that it is kind of gummy looking. Let's see. So you're going to need to stir it. You're going to stir it up. Oops, my stick just broke, so let's try something else. Let's throw that away before I make a mess. Let's try another one here. These are just little stir sticks. So just stir it up until it gets the consistency of like icing on a cake. And then I just wipe all that off that I can because we want to save all of that. And then I'm also going to use this teal. You know I have to use some teal in here. See how gummy that looks? But let's stir that up. Let's use this little spoon. Nope. Okay. Let's just use the other end of our stir stick. Stir it up. This is the same color of the stencil. Oh. Now this company, I'll tell you a little about it while I'm stirring this. This company has been in business a little over a year, I think. Started by a lady. And right now it's just in the USA, but I'm sure they're planning on branching out as soon as they can. It's just a lot of paperwork and things involved. But you can join my team if you want to. I will put that link below. You can just order if you'd rather just order and not join the team. If you join the team, then you get a kit, and it's got all kinds of stuff in it. It has this, tons of other things, and I will link my kit video below so that you'll know. And so you can do either one. Now we're going to start out with the white, and you get these little applicators too, and I cut mine down. We're going to start out with the white. It's pretty big, and I just went ahead and cut it down. And you're just going to apply it in a small, not thick, just a thin application. But if you join the team, you can get 40% off of all of your purchases. Plus, they send you a 50% off coupon that you can use for your first order. And I mean, it is fantastic. This stuff is going like crazy right now. It's one of the biggest companies out there right this minute. So it is flying. All right, being, and then I'm going to do Grateful and Teal. And then if you sign up people under you, then you would get a percentage of what they sell. And on and on and on. So you can make some money at this if you want to. If you don't want to make money, you can just use it as a hobby. Either one. I just love how easy it is. Melody Lane is in my upline, and she was telling me how easy it was. And I was like, yeah, right. But it is. It's very, very easy. The chalk is very simple to put on. I haven't played a lot with the ink yet, but I will be using that soon. And I'll do a tutorial on that. And then always scrape off your excess, because you can put it right back in the jar. Now we do sell this purple tape now. A lot of people are liking the purple tape to put around the edges so that they don't have an over application on their stencils and things. So if you want some of that purple tape, I'll link that below as well. I will be using that when I put my ink down. This will wipe off pretty easy. The ink is permanent once it's heated. So if you put the ink on and heat it, then it is permanent. It's there to stay. You can use the ink on shirts and heat it, and it's there. Okay, that's our white. So I'm going to go ahead and put my lid on the white. And then we're going to do the teal. Now you need to keep a baby wipe near you because you want to clean your hands off really well before you start trying to pull this up. That way if you have any excess on your hands, then you can wipe it off and it doesn't get on there. So just start at one corner, and you don't wait till it dries to peel it up. You peel it up just as soon as you finish. You can see how sticky this is, so that's why I put it on my shirt. I probably should have put it on my shirt a couple of times. Alright, so here is my finished project, and sorry, my camera cut off just as I was pulling that stencil off, so I just went ahead and went in and cleaned my stencil, and you can see how good it cleans. It's still drying, so just lay it upside down on a towel or something to dry. But you can see how easy that was. This is meant to be sketchy like that because it's supposed to look old and antique. So I think that turned out pretty good. When I get tired of this, just wipe it off with a baby wipe, put another saying on there. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It'll be my little face over here on the right. If you just click that, then you should be able to subscribe. I will leave links to these products in the video description below. Just click see more and you should see all the links there. We will talk to you guys later. Bye bye.